Hey guys, it's Will at Jordan Bikes, and this is a Royal Enfield Himalayan 400. What a cracker this is. Really nice. Just to let you know, it is the Euro 5, so an absolute belter. 400cc, super light. You've got the 3-box luggage there from Jive. You got the Royal Enfield sat nav on the right hand side. It's done 3,526 miles. Really easy to read display. Obviously finished in the green and the camo colour scheme on this. Guys, if you are looking for a light, bright bike with a bit of luggage, look no further. In order to get it purchased, pop down to Jordan Bikes, give us a call.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.